everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Violet and I'm super happy to have you here. In today's video, I am going to show y'all some new makeup that I tried in today's video. Show you how I created this eye look. I show you a new product I just got, which I will link the haul below if you didn't see it. Highlighter on my cheeks, I keep pointing there. And then a new lipstick I picked up. Also, haul will be linked below. So if you're curious to hear my thoughts, to see how I created this eye look, super easy, then keep on watching. I saw this in my Temu / Canadian makeup haul. I explain how I received this, who gave it to me, all of that. So if you're curious, I will link it below. Again, thank you to them so much. I love y'all with all of my heart. So I've been wanting to try this palette, and I'm so excited I finally got to use it today. I'm going to be creating a whole dedicated video to this, creating as many looks as I can with this. Also trying to see if I can have any like one and done shadows within this one palette. So this palette is not the first time and not the last time you will see this. Well, it is the first time you'll see this. It's not going to be the last that you will see this. But this is what I'm going to talk about first, because I used three shades in this. I used this like light tan camel shade here in the corner. It is matte, and I used that on one of the brushes that I also received within this gift set from my cousin and his partner. This one, I believe, is what they're calling a large blending brush, and this is what I used to blend out that shade. That shade showed up exactly what I see in the pan. I did not have any issues. It blended just fine. The brush also blended the shadow just fine. I didn't really have any issues. I didn't feel like it was not showing up. It was tugging or anything like that. So the eyeshadow brush and the shadow are really good. Showed up. It's in my transition, so it's not really like too noticeable right now, but I did use that. The next shade I used is this one, which is a more like murky, cool tone brown, and I took that onto the angled blending brush, which is this one right here. And this one also applied just fine. Definitely darken up the outer corner, which is typically what I like to go for, is to darken up that outer corner area, so that way I can really open up my eyes and create more depth in that section. It blended out fine. I don't really see that it is unblended or anything. The brush applied it just fine. I picked up too much of the shadow at first because I was like, just pack it in there. I just want to use this shadow. And I really had to go back and tap it, so just be careful. If you get a little heavy-handed like I do sometimes, tone it back. You can build it up, you can't take it away, and that's what I didn't learn that this time. But that's okay. We definitely used it. It's there. Also a little on the lower lash line, and I like that color. It's pretty. I like this look. It's very pretty. The last shadow was this one right here, almost the last one in the row, but it's the second to last, which is a very like light gold shade. This one is so pretty. It definitely shows up. You can definitely see it on my eyes. It's got like this nice like gold effect to it. I didn't need any setting spray. It applied with my finger. I had no issues whatsoever, and I was able to pack it on, apply it, and create this like very easy everyday look that is beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. And yeah, I mean, no problems with this palette. So happy. And you know, same with the brushes. I only used 2 out of 5, but I have no issues using those brushes either. They performed perfectly. The other product I wanted to talk about was the highlighter stick. This one I don't necessarily would use as like a highlighter for the cheeks because this is very like deep gold tone. So I ended up using this as like a cream eyeshadow. So in the swatch, I could definitely, like, you can see it on my hand. I definitely try to warm it up in my hand and then apply it on the eyes, but it just would not show up. And I'm sad about it. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know why it's not showing up, because it can show up here, but it can't show up here. It would not show up for some reason, and I'm sad, but I'm definitely going to try and use this more. So I did have to pack on the powder shimmer first. I feel like, oh yeah, I'm also noticing some creasing too, and I did use eye primer, so I don't know if this made a crease or if the shadows made a crease. I don't know. We will see. But definitely stay tuned for an update on this. The new product on my cheeks is from my Temu / Canadian makeup haul, which I will link in the description box. But I picked up another highlighter, again from that same LakerainBeauty company, except this looks like the Rare Beauty highlighters from Selena Gomez. And this one You guys, it's just like the other one, and like the Charlotte Tilbury, the Charlotte Tilbury format that I picked up in my other Temu earring haul, which will be linked in the description box. But this one is pigmented, like wowza. I didn't expect it to be that pigmented. I mean, I took it out of the bottle, I took a look at it, I was like, okay, yeah, it's a highlighter. When I started packing it on my cheeks, you could see the shine and highlighter on my face. And of course, blending it out was super easy. It didn't, you know, budge. It didn't pull, tug, nothing like that. I had no troubles, which thank goodness. But I mean, right here on my cheeks, it just looks so beautiful. Just looks so natural. Looks exactly like the other one, except I think this one just looks more natural, I feel. I don't know, maybe I'll compare the two, we'll see, but I just love the way this looks. And I've got my my little Rudolph highlighter nose back, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, just this is just, I'm already loving it. And the last new makeup product I tried is of course the new lipstick from that same haul mentioned before. This is also from Pudaier, which is the same brand of foundation that I picked up from Temu in my like second, third, fourth, however many hauls I have of Temu so far. And again, this one's in the shade called 7 or Beeper, and it's on my lips. It was so easy to apply. It definitely didn't take that long to dry down. It wasn't sticky, and my lips weren't like stuck together. Like, it just laid on so easily. The applicator applied it, you know, just with a breeze, no issues. This color is gorgeous. Like, I am just loving this color. It's very like rosy, just beautiful, and I'm absolutely obsessed. Definitely will be wearing it this fall and all future falls. But yeah, I mean, and I've had it on for, I'd say at least maybe 3-4 hours, maybe 5 hours so far now. I've had a little bit of food. I haven't really drinking too much, and it's still there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I would love to chat with you down there. And as always, have an awesome rest of your day and your week, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye, guys.